Hi, I'm Katy Hornaday, CEO of an ad agency called Barkley OKRP, and this is Tell Me Everything. A little about me. I became a CEO in the spring of 2025, right when our industry feels more unpredictable than ever before. The rules are shifting, technology is rewriting the model, and some days it's genuinely unclear what the right move is supposed to be. I've heard many CEOs say the job can feel lonely. You're expected to have answers, to steady the room, to move forward even when the path isn't obvious. But I don't believe it has to be lonely. There have been plenty of moments when I've wondered to myself, how'd she get through this? What did she do when it got hard, messy, or unclear? Instead of sitting with those questions alone, I decided I'd ask them out loud. And that's where this podcast was born. Tell Me Everything is a series of candid conversations with leaders about navigating pressure, pivots, and change in real time, and about replacing isolation with honesty and community. Because the truth is, we're all just figuring it out. And here, we get to figure it out together. The lessons aren't just for CEOs. They're for anyone building a career, managing up, leading a team, or figuring it out in real time. Welcome to Tell Me Everything.